What if I told you that you don't need dozens of exercises, complicated routines, or hours in the gym to completely transform your body? In fact, you only need 5 dumbbell moves. 5, and together, they'll hit every major muscle group. Build real-world strength and leave you looking stronger and more defined than ever. Sounds too simple, right? Well, here's the truth. Simple works. These 5 exercises are efficient, effective, and proven. Stick with them, and in just a few weeks, you'll feel the difference in your strength, posture, and confidence. So grab a pair of dumbbells, clear a little space, and let's dive in. Exercise number 1. The dumbbell curl and press. This is the king of efficiency. Why? Because it's a compound move that hits your biceps, shoulders, chest, and core all at once. Think about it lifting groceries overhead, carrying boxes, even just pushing yourself up. This exercise trains the exact strength you need in everyday life. Here's how to nail it. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Dumbbells at your sides, palms facing forward. Curl the weights up, keeping your elbows tucked tight. That's key for really hitting the biceps. Once they reach shoulder height, rotate your palms forward and press the dumbbells overhead until your arms are fully extended. Keep your core braced the entire time because that's what stabilizes everything. Do this for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, and you'll feel your entire upper body light up. Next up, exercise number 2, the Goblet Squat. If you're not already doing this, today's the day to start. It's hands down one of the best moves for building strong legs, your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. But here's the kicker: it doesn't just work your legs. Because of the crush grip you use to hold the dumbbell, your arms and chest are engaged too, making it a sneaky full-body exercise. Here's the form. Hold a dumbbell vertically with both hands at chest level, squeezing it tight. Feet slightly wider than shoulder width, toes turned out just a bit. Now push your hips back first, then bend your knees to drop down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Keep your chest up, spine neutral. Then drive through your heels to stand tall. That crush grip, it's not just for show. Research shows it actually boosts lower body performance by increasing upper body tension. Translation: stronger squats, better balance, and less risk of injury. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps will leave your legs burning in the best way. Exercise number 3, the farmer's carry. This one doesn't look flashy, but don't underestimate it's one of the most functional, powerful exercises you can do. It works almost everything: grip, forearms, shoulders, core, and legs. And it directly translates to real life carrying groceries, luggage, or even kids. In fact, research shows it activates up to 85% of your body's muscle mass. That's crazy for something that looks this simple. Form check. Grab a heavy dumbbell. In each hand, stand tall with shoulders pulled back, chest up, core tight. Walk forward with small, controlled steps, keeping perfect posture. The weight should feel heavy enough that holding it for 60 seconds is a serious challenge. 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. And you'll not only build strength, you'll improve posture, core stability, and cardiovascular fitness all in one go. Number 4. The dumbbell swing. This one is all about explosive hip power. Your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and core do the heavy lifting here, while your shoulders help guide the movement. The biggest mistake people make is turning it into a squat or an arm exercise. It's not. The power comes from your hips. Here's how to do it. Hold a dumbbell with both hands, feet wider than shoulder width. Push your hips back, letting the dumbbell swing between your legs while keeping your back flat. Now drive your hips forward explosively. Don't pull with your arms. Just let that hip power propel the weight up to chest height. Your arms are just hooks. Start light to master the form, then build up. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, and you'll not only build strength, you'll also train one of the most important movement patterns for protecting your back, the hip hinge. Finally, exercise number 5, the dumbbell tripod row. This move doesn't get enough love, but it's a game changer for building a strong, well-balanced upper body. It targets your lats, rear delts, rhomboids, and biceps, the pulling muscles that counteract all that forward slouching from screens and sitting. Strong back muscles mean better posture, less shoulder pain, and more balance in your upper body. Here's the setup. Stand with feet wide, knees bent, hips hinged forward at about 45 degrees. Place one hand lightly on your knee for support, don't lean into it. With the other hand, hold a dumbbell straight toward the floor. Pull it up, toward your hip, elbow close to your body, then squeeze your shoulder blade back for 1 to 2 seconds before lowering with control. The key is to keep your torso still, no twisting. That forces your core to work harder, giving you bonus stability training. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per arm, and you'll feel your back and core firing like never before. Here's how to put everything together into one powerful routine. Start with the dumbbell curl to press, performing 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps to warm up your arms, shoulders, and core. From there, move into goblet squats for another 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, focusing on controlled form to really target your legs and glutes. Next, grab your dumbbells and perform farmer's carries walk tall for 30 to 60 seconds. 3 times, keeping your posture strong and core engaged. After that, switch to dumbbell swings, aiming for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, driving the movement from your hips to build explosive power. Finally, finish with dumbbell tripod rows. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per arm, squeezing your back muscles with every pull. Do this entire workout 3 times a week with rest days in between. And in just a few weeks, you'll notice real improvements in your strength, energy, and overall performance. Remember, don't overcomplicate it. These 5 moves are all you need. Master them, stay consistent, and the results will speak for themselves. So grab those dumbbells and get to work. You've got this. If this helped you out, smash that subscribe button because I've got more simple, science-backed routines dropping soon.